Ready to expand your online business? Access a platform with over 2 billion monthly active users when you connect your online store to your Facebook business page. Instantly import your store's existing product catalog directly to your Facebook business page to tag products in your Facebook posts, find interested shoppers with Facebook's ad targeting tools, and even convert past website visitors into customers with remarketing ads that remind them about the products they considered but didn't buy. Plus, uploading your product catalog to Facebook is also the first step to selling your products on Instagram. So, is it easy to get started? Well, that depends. Is one click easy? To connect your online store to your Facebook business page, simply visit the Sell on Facebook page in your control panel, click Connect Facebook Page, and select the business page you'd like to connect. And yes, it's really that easy. So what are you waiting for? Head over to your store's control panel and start selling on Facebook today.